In California, as we speak, majestic, beautiful wolves, beings who have lived and thrived on this land long before fences, cities, and subsidized farmers' tiers, are being killed. And why? Because some rancher's product, some walking investment got eaten. And we're supposed to pretend that this is a tragedy for the farmers. No, the tragedy is the execution of wolves for daring to exist on their own land. These ranchers scream loss while conveniently omitting that their cows are insured. Insured. They file claim, they get paid, sometimes even more than the cow is worth. They lose nothing. Meanwhile, a wolf loses everything: its life, its family, its role in the ecosystem nature designed.